Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening TikTok and making sure you're signed in. This lets the app show personalized watch history. Once done, tap your profile at the bottom right to enter your account. From there, make sure you update the app if prompted because older versions may hide features. Next, open Settings and Privacy. You're now in the control area where watch-related data and navigation logs live. This prepares you to access history options without delay. You now need to find the watch history entry. In Settings, type Watch History into the search field or look under Privacy and Safety and Content and Activity. Different regions place it differently. If you don't see a direct label, open Activity to view interactions and recently viewed content. Once located, tap the Watch History or Related log to display videos you've viewed. Make sure to scroll slowly so the list loads fully. Because TikTok paginates older entries, you can now tap any entry to reopen the video and use Save or Favorite to keep it for later. That's how you preserve content. If the history is missing, check that you're on the right account, allow necessary permissions, and confirm the app is updated because these factors hide logs. As a final troubleshooting step, clear TikTok's cache or reinstall the app. This often restores history visibility, but note it may remove local cached data. Keep privacy settings in mind.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.